In short this video, I want to share with you about how to create a point from test. The first we consider on test on this route, and first we can change the test to elevation. And we can check on the properties and position change, and after that we click the VT tool and click the React and Label, and we click the point from test. The second we can see on the form, we click the style cover point, and we click the style label cover point to elevation only, and click accept. Ensure on select on test or number point on select test and click enter. We can see the test with the elevation follow test